I'm a farmer. I'm in the cattle business and the game business. And through that business which has been declared in Parliament and all over, I buy and I sell animals. Sometimes people buy these animals, and some of the people who have bought some of the animals, some of them are here. I do it, yes. I do it through, the sales are sometimes through cash or sometimes through transfers. Some of the people who are offshore customers and who are sometimes local, they come through and buy animals, and some of them come also to hunt on the farm. And so this that's being reported was a clear business transaction of selling animals. The amount involved is far less than what has been branded in the press.
Hello. Okay.
Baba, on this morning, $1 billion rand. Baba, give me $4 million and so forth. I want to say it's far less. Some are casting aspersions about me and money. I want to assure you, comrades, that all this was money from proceeds from selling animals. I have never stolen money from anywhere, be it from our taxpayers, be it from anyone. I have never done so. I've never stolen money from our taxpayers. My integrity as a leader will never allow me to do so. I will never be able to do so. I want to make it clear that I will continue to fight corruption. And some of these things are clearly, they have their own political agenda, and we are all aware of that. But it will not deter me from fighting corruption, because I have never stolen taxpayers' money. That I have never done. And so therefore I will cooperate with any process. The renewal process that we are involved in, comrades, is such that all of us must dedicate ourselves to become the type of leaders who will stand up and be able to say, we are here to serve our people, we are here to make sure that our people get a better life. That is what drives me, that is what makes me wake up every morning to serve our people and nothing else. Thank you very much, Cyril.